Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to see the revision of Roman numerals. Yes, Roman numerals was developed by early Romans thousands of years ago, right? It uses the 7 letters of the alphabet. It uses 7 letters of the alphabet. We'll see what are the letters now. Symbol I, V, X, L, C, D, M. What are the 7 letters of the alphabet? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I represents the number 1 in the Indo-Arabic number and V 5. Value of X is 10. I'll repeat, value of X is 10 and value of L is 50. Value of C is 100. Value of D is 500 and value of M is 1000. I hope you all know this, right? So now we'll have a revision of these sums now. First one, convert the following Indo-Arabic numbers to Roman numerals. It has been, the sum is given in Indo-Arabic numbers that you're going to change into Roman numerals. So first one, 49, you're going to change into Roman numerals. So how to split this? Write in the expanded form. 49, 40 plus 9. 49, 40 plus 9. What is the Roman numeral for 40? How to write 40? Shall I write like this? 50 minus 10 is 40. Shall I write like this? Yes. What is the value for 50 now? You know the value for 50, right? Yes. What is the Roman numeral for 50? L minus, what is the Roman numeral for 10? X. Okay, when will you subtract two Roman numerals? If the smaller symbol is placed, smaller value of X is 10 and value of, say, Roman numeral for L is, value for L is 50. If the smaller one is placed before the larger one, right? When will you subtract? If the smaller one is placed before the larger one. So XL. So what is L minus X? XL. So Roman numeral for 40 is XL plus 9. What is the Roman numerals? What is the Indo-Arabic number for Roman numeral 9? So how to write 9? 10 minus 1. Isn't it, children? So what is the Roman numeral for 10? X minus 1. What is the Roman numeral for 1? I. So when you subtract, if the smaller one I is placed before the larger one, right? X. So IX. So now add all together. XL plus IX. SL IX. So first one, 49. Change that into expanded form. Write in expanded form. 40 plus 9. Roman numeral for 40 is XL. And Roman numeral for 9 is XI, right? X minus I. So that means IX. So add all together XL, IX. Second one, 450. 450. Write that in expanded form now. 400 plus 50. 400 plus 50 plus 0, right? 400 plus 50. Now this we are going to change into Roman numeral. 400 we are going to change into Roman numeral. How will you write 400? Shall I write like this? 500 minus 100. 500 minus 100 is 400, right, children? Plus 50. Plus 50. 400, I'm writing it as 500 minus 100. As we know the value for 500 and 100. So 400 is 500 minus 100 plus 50. Now tell me what is the value for Roman numeral for 500? D, right? What is the Roman numeral for 500? D minus, what is the Roman numeral for 100? C. D minus C plus 50. What is the Roman numeral for 50? L. Now D minus C, when will you subtract the Roman numeral? If the smaller one is placed before the larger one. So smaller one is C, it is placed before the larger one, right? So the value is CD plus L. Now add all together. Answer is CDL. I'm repeating it one more time. 450. Write in the expanded form. 400 plus 50 plus 0. No need to write that. So 400 plus 50. Then 400, how to write 400? 500 minus 100 plus 50. What is the Roman numeral for 500? D minus, what is the Roman numeral for 100? C plus L. Okay, when will you subtract the Roman numeral? If the smaller symbol is placed before the larger one, right? So CD, D minus C is CD plus L. So add all together CD plus L, CDL is the answer. Shall we move on to the next one? Convert the following Roman numerals to Indo-Arabic numeral. See, question, it is given in Roman numeral. You are going to convert into Indo-Arabic number. Shall we change that? First one, XEVIII. See, if there are two or more symbols, you can add directly, right? Yes, there is more symbols are there, so we can add directly. Now, XC. If the smaller one is placed before the larger one, what to do? So take that separately and write XC plus V plus I plus I plus. You can write like this also. V plus I plus I plus I. You can write like this also, or VIII. If the smaller one is placed after the larger one, you can add that directly, right? So XC plus VIII. Now what is the value for XC? Smaller one, X is placed before the larger one, right? So C minus X. C minus X, right? So if the smaller one is placed before the larger one, the smaller one is in front, what you have to do? You have to subtract from the larger one, right? So C is larger, so C minus X. What is the Roman numeral for, what is the value for C? 100. So write 100 minus, what is the value for X? 10. 100 minus 10, that we'll see now, plus, what is the value for V? You know the value for V, right? 5 plus I. What is the value for I? 1 plus, again one more I, 1 plus 1. Now 100 minus 10, 90. Subtract 100 from 10. What is the value? 0. So I'm carry forward 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, 9. So I cannot subtract 0 from 1, so I am borrowing 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So the answer is 90 plus 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So answer is 90 plus 8. Add and tell me now, children. 90 plus 8. 98. Very good. So if there are two or more symbols, what you have to do? You have to add. And when the smaller one is placed before the larger one, you are going to subtract, right? So I am taking XC separately, because X is smaller than C, right? X is smaller. So if the smaller one is placed before the larger one, you're going to subtract that. So C minus X, 100 minus 10. C, value of C is 100 minus X is 10 plus VIII. Value of V is 5 plus I, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 100 minus 10 is 90 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 8. 90 plus 8, 98. Second one, we are going to convert this into Roman numeral into Indo-Arabic number. Yes. So same thing, CMXV. Just see this. Value of C is 100 and value of M is 1000. Smaller one is placed before the larger one. What you have to do? That you are going to subtract, right? So that you take it separately, plus, so CM plus X plus V. X, the value of X is 10 and value of V is 5. The smaller one is placed after the larger one, right? Value of X is 10 and value of V is 5. So we can add that directly. If the smaller one is placed after the larger one, you can add that directly. So X plus V. What is now CM? What you have to do if the smaller one is, smaller symbol is placed before the larger one? Going to subtract, right? So M minus C. What is the value for M? 1000. Very good. Minus, what is the value for C? 100. M minus C is 1000 minus 100 plus, what is the value for X? 10. Value for X is 10 plus, what is the value for V? 5. Very good. Now you are going to subtract. Next step is 1000 minus 100. Subtract 1000 minus 100. 0, 0. Can you subtract 0 from 1? No. Then borrow. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So the answer is 900 plus 10 plus 5. So 900 plus 10. 900, add and tell me 900 plus 10. 910 plus 5, 915. So the answer is 915. First step, you're going to add, if there are two or more symbols, you can add that directly. Here I'm taking CM separately because the smaller symbol C is placed before the larger one. So CM plus X plus V. Value of CM is, so M minus C. Value of M is 1000 and value of C is 100 plus X plus V, 10 plus 5. Value of X is 10, value of V is 5. Now add all together, 1000 minus 100 is 900 plus 10 plus 5. Add all together, 900 plus 10, 910 plus 5, 915. Find the value of the following Roman numeral. You are going to find out the value of the following Roman numeral. Addition and subtraction of Roman numeral. Shall we see? So LXXX IV plus XXVI. So first take the first one, first Roman numeral LXXVI. Change that into Indo-Arabic number. Then take the second one. That you have to change that into Indo-Arabic number. After that you add the numbers. Then at last change that into Roman numeral again. Shall we see now? LXXXIV. This we are going to change into Indo-Arabic number. So first split that. L plus X plus X plus IV. Why I am writing separately IV? I cannot write plus V, right? That is wrong. I plus V I cannot write because the smaller one is placed before the larger one. So IV I am writing it separately. The smaller symbol is placed before the larger one. You are going to subtract that, right? So now value for L is 50 and value for X is 10 and one more X, 10 and one more X, 10 plus what is the value for IV? So smaller one is placed before the larger one. So subtract the smaller one from the larger one. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Write that 4 now. Now add all together. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 10, 80. 80 plus 4, 84. So write that. So value of LXXXIV is 84. So now we are going to find out the value for this. XXVI. XXVI. Shall we add this? X plus V plus I or VI. V plus I. Because the smaller one is placed after the larger one. So you can add that V plus I. Value for X is 10 and one more X. 10 plus V plus I. What is the value for V plus I? 5 plus 1. 6. So write that. Add all together now. 10 plus 10. 20. 20 plus 6. 26. Now we know the value for XXVI is 26. Now we are going to add both these things. LXXXIV plus XXVI is equal to 84 plus 26. Now add 84 plus 26. 6 plus 4, 10. 0, 1 will be carry forwarded. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So the answer is 110. Now this you are going to change it into Roman numeral. 110, how to write? 100 plus 10. 100 plus 10. What is the Roman numeral for 100? You know the Roman numeral for 100, right? Yes, C. What is the Roman numeral for 10? X. So the answer is CX. 110, how to write? 100 plus 10, 110. Now value for 100 is, Roman numeral for 100 is C and Roman numeral for 10 is X. So answer is CX. So for adding and subtracting the Roman numerals, first you have to change that into Indo-Arabic numbers and then we can add or subtract. Then at last change the answer into Roman numerals again. So first I have taken LXXXIV, that I have changed into Indo-Arabic number. Next I have taken XXVI, that I have changed into Indo-Arabic number. Then I have added all together 84 plus 26. Answer is 110. Then again you have to going to change that into Roman numerals. So CX. Next sum. XXXIX minus XIX. x, 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 ix minus xix. So first take x, 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 ix. So now change this into Indo-Arabic number. X plus ix. Why I am writing ix separately? Because value of I is 1 and value of x is 10. The smaller one is placed before the larger one. You are going to subtract that, right? So take that separately and write value of x is 10 and value of one more x is 10 plus one more x 10 plus what is the value of ix? That means you are going to subtract x minus I. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. So now add all together. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 9, 39. So we know the value for x, 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 ix, right? X plus ix. So the answer is 39. Now we are going to find out the value for this x, ix. So how to write this? X plus ix. X plus ix. We know the value for x, right? 10 plus, what is the value for ix? Just now we saw, right? 10 minus 1, that means x minus I. 10 minus 1, that means 9. So 10 plus 9, 19. The value for xix is 19. So in this sum, we are going to subtract this, right? Subtraction. So we are going to subtract 39. 39, we are going to subtract from 19. X, 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 ix minus xix. So subtract and tell me the answer now. 39 and 19 we are going to subtract now. 9 minus 9, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. So the answer is 20. Now this we are going to change into Roman numerals again. We are going to change it into Roman numerals. What is the Roman numeral for 20? 10 plus 10 is 20, right? So xx. xx. So first we are going to find out the value for xxx ix. The value is 39. And next value for xix. The value is 19. Then we are going to subtract this 39 minus 19. The answer is 20. Then we are going to change that into Roman numeral xx. What comes before or after the Roman numeral? Before and after Roman number. So what comes before C? So first, what is the value for C now? What is the value for C? 100. Now tell me what comes before 100? 99, right? 99. How to write 99 into Roman numeral? 90 plus 9. Shall I write like this? 90 plus 9. 90 is 99. 90 plus 9. So how will you write 90? 100 minus 10 is 90, right? Value for 100 is C minus, what is the value for 10? Roman numeral x. When will you subtract? If the smaller one is placed before the larger one, right? So value for 90 is, so Roman numeral for 90 is xc. So xc plus 9. How will you write 9? 10 minus 1, 9, right? So 10 minus 1, that means 10 value. Roman numeral for 10 is x minus Roman numeral for 1 is I. So when will you subtract? Smaller one is placed before the larger one. So xc plus ix. Now add all together xc plus ix. The answer is xc ix. What we have to do? C. Value for C is 100. Before 100 what number will come? 99. So Roman numeral for 99 is xc ix. 90 plus 9. 90 plus 9. Roman numeral for 90 is xc plus 9 is ix. So write xc ix. Second one, L, x, x. We are going to find out the before number. What is the value for L, x, x? So value for L is 50. Value for x is, xx is 10, 10, 20. So 50 plus 20, 70. What comes before 70? 69, right? 69 comes before 70, right? Now this we are going to change into Roman numeral. 60 plus 9 is 69, right? So 60, Roman numeral for 60 plus 9 is 69. What is the Roman numeral for 60? 50 plus 10 is 60, right? 50. L plus 10, X plus 9, you know the Roman numeral for 9, I, X, right? So now add all together, LX, IX. Add all together, LX, IX comes before LXX. LX, IX comes before LXX. Put the correct sign. You're going to see the correct sign. You're going to put the correct sign, less than, greater than or equal to. XC, we are going to compare XC and CX. How will you compare Roman numerals? First, we have to change the Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic numbers, right? Then only we can compare. So, first I am taking XC, change that into Indo-Arabic number. So, XC. If the smaller one is placed before the larger one, what will you do? You are going to subtract the smaller one from the larger one, right? So, C minus. So, how to do? C minus X. So, write C minus X. So, what is the value for C? 100 minus X. What is the value for X? 10. So, 100 minus 10 is 90. Value for XC is 90. Next one. Take CX. Here the smaller one X is placed after the larger one, right? So, you can add that directly. So, C plus X. C plus X. What is the value for C? 100 plus X. What is the value for X? 10. 100 plus 10. 110. 100 plus 10. 110. Now, we are going to compare. We know the value for XC is 90 and CX is 110. Now, tell me 90 is less than 110 or greater than 110? Think and tell me, children. 90 is less than. So, 90 is less than 110, right? So, put 90 is less than 100. If 90 is less than 110, therefore, XC is less than CX. XC is less than CX. How will you compare two Roman numerals? First, we have to change the Roman numerals into Indo-Arabic numbers, normal numbers. Then we can compare, right? So, first I found out the value for XC. Value of XC is 90. Then value of CX is 110. So, 90 is less than 110. Therefore, XC is less than CX. Next, CL, and we are going to compare CL and 150. How will you compare this? First, change CL into Indo-Arabic number, shall we? Yes. Take CL. Here, C, value of C is 100. Value of L is 50. The smaller symbol is placed after the larger one, right? So, you can add that directly. C plus L. Value of C, 100. Very good. What is the value for L? 50. 100 plus 50. Add 150 now. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 1. There is no number, so write down that number directly. So, 150. So, value for CL is 150. We know the value for CL, 150. Now, we are going to compare 150. Value for CL is 150 and 150. Both the numbers are same. So, you are going to put equal to sign in between, right? If all the digits are same, we are going to put equal to sign in between. So, put equal to sign. As 150 is equal to 150, therefore, CL is equal to 150. CL is equal to 150. First, we have to change the CL into Indo-Arabic number. Then, we have to compare. Right, children? Change the Indo-Arabic numerals and solve the following. Write the answer in Roman numeral. We are going to change the Indo-Arabic number into Roman numeral and we have to solve this. First one, 400 plus 13. 400 plus 13. Shall we see change the 400 into Roman numeral now? 400, what is the value for 400? 500 minus 100 is 400, right? 500 minus 100. So, 500, what is the value? Roman numeral for 500? D. Very good. Roman numeral for 500 is D. What is the Roman numeral for 100? C. When will you subtract the Roman numerals? If the smaller one is placed before the larger one, right? So, CD. We know the value for CD is, so Roman numeral for 400 is CD. So, I am writing 400 into 500 minus 100. Value for Roman numeral for 500 is D. And Roman numeral for 100 is C. Now D minus C, how will you write? CD. Next, take the second one, 13. How will you write 13? Write in the expanded form, 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 3, 13. Now, what is the value for Roman numeral for 10? X. You know the Roman numeral for 10, right? X plus 3 in Roman numeral. I. So, X plus I. Add all together. X, I. Now, what you're going to do? You're going to add both these things. 400 plus 13 is 413. Or else add this directly. CD plus XII. Add CD. I. Add all together. Answer will be CD XII. CD plus XII is CD XII. First, we are going to change the Roman numeral into, Hindu Arabic number into Roman numeral, right? So, 400, 500 minus 100. So, D minus C, CD. Answer is CD. Then 13, 10 plus 3, 13. X plus I, X, I. Now, add all together 400 plus 13, 413. We know the value for 400 plus 10 plus 3. We know the value for 400, right? CD plus 10, X plus I. 400 plus 13. CD, add all together this CD, X, I. Now second one, 80 minus 30. When you subtract 80 minus 30, what will be the answer? 50, right? So 50. So now we'll see. First we'll change 80 into Roman numeral. 50 plus 30 is 80. L plus Roman numeral for 50 is L plus 30. X. Roman numeral for 30 is X. Add all together. L, X. Now 30. What is the Roman numeral for 30? You know, right? X. Now you're going to subtract this. 80 minus 30 is 50. What is the Roman numeral for 50? L. You can subtract like this also, or you know the value for 50, right? Roman numeral for 50. L. So that you can write. So 80 minus 30, first change that into Roman numeral. 50 plus 30 is 80. 50, Roman numeral for 50 is L plus 30. X. All together LXX. Now take 30, change that into Roman numeral. X. Now subtract 80 minus 30. That means 50. Answer is 50. 80 minus 30 is 8 minus 3 is 50. Change that into Roman numeral L. Value for L is, so Roman numeral for 50 is L. So the answer is L. When you subtract LXXX minus XXX, the answer is L. Here is one worksheet for you. Convert the following Indo-Arabic numbers to Roman numerals. 20 and 50, you're going to change into Roman numerals. Second one, convert the following Roman numerals to Indo-Arabic numbers. CX, second one is IX. Third one, find the value of the following Roman numerals. LX plus C, you're going to add LX plus C. Second one, D minus C, you're going to subtract D minus C. Finish the worksheet, children. Revise the Roman numerals. See you in the next class, children. Thank you.